absolutely the best $48 I ever spent. Right there. Sits underneath the pergola. Stays right at about 79, 80 degrees. Feels real good. Just got done mowing, so I'm going to hop in there in a second. So I'm going to show you how nice and green everything is after mowing. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at this over here. Monstrous. Let's walk over here. Didn't show you this last time because I was watering. Look at that. Just nice. Take a look at the corn over here. See there? Got some melon down there. I got some peanuts down there. Beans crawling all the way up to the top of that shrub. Not bad for a suburbia lot, huh? Alright, time to hop in the pool. Come on over. Turn the TV on. Listen to do-yourself made Bluetooth ammo can 200-watt jam box. Put up a paper towel thing there. Looking real good. Have a good Sunday night.